Hello guys. Okay, so this is going to be a video where I'll be teaching you how to trade futures on Kucoin or Kucoin. I don't know how to pronounce that. So let's just get to it quickly. This is my assets, and this is the overview wallet. That's like combination of all the asset I have in my main wallet, my trading, my margin, futures, and all. So let's just get to futures straight. So I have $15 here, and if you check the left icon on the left, just right before the asset icon down here, with this current update, this is where the future icon is. Okay, so as you can see this, okay, I'm going to use a Lunar Classic, this loan say as a just to practice with. Okay, I'm not advising anybody to buy this coin, obviously. So let's just get to it. You can see buy and you can see what sell. And when you see buy, I know you believe that means like long, you get. And then when you see sell, that means short. And buying means long, which also means like you want the price to go up, like you are predicting the price to do what, to like increase. Then when you do short, you are actually hoping the price will decrease, like the price will drop. Okay, so if I'm going to do that now, let me just show you how it's done here. So if you click on this, you have on this left side, just under the buy, you have different options, which I'm just going to be talking about limit and markets. Limit means you want to buy this current token, this coin. Now you want to buy it for a particular price. Okay, you want to buy it for a particular price. Maybe when it drops to this certain amount, I want it to buy automatically for me. Okay, that is what limit means. You want to buy for a particular price, you can punch that in, you can just click on a certain price, it's going to set that for you, right? But when you go with market price, it's going to buy it at the current price, like the current price at the moment. Okay, and the reason why you use market price is maybe you need to buy a coin and you can't wait, you get, like you just want to buy it instantly and gain from it instantly, so you don't want to like wait and you're not sure about the price fluctuation and the liquidity and all. So so I'm going to be making use of market because I just want to buy instantly and show you something. So when you click on market, then this is the 5x you see right here. This is what they call leverage. Okay, so I'm just going to use like a basic definition of leverage. It's just like using borrowed money to trade, like you amplify your cash. Okay, you just multiply your cash and then you trade with it. So the higher the leverage, the higher the higher the money you make, and the higher the money you lose at the same time. So if I turn this up now, it's going to give me a risk warning sign, because if the price increases by a certain percentage, I'm going to gain more. Okay, but if the price drops by a certain percentage, I might lose everything I put into that, and then that's what you call liquidation. So down here, this place, you can see what it said, liquidation price. Okay, so that's where the price just liquidate and you lose everything. Then the entry price means the amount you entered with. You enter the trade with a certain amount, you get. The margin is the amount it's worth, like currently. Then you have a P&L, that means profits and loss. So you can see I just take it like few cents just to show you something right here. So let's just buy something currently. So you can decide to buy with percentage. If I say this 100% down here, that means I'm buying this current with this current price. I'm buying with all the money in my wallet, which is $15, but I don't want to do that. So let me just click on something very small. Okay, let's just say 20,000. Oh, that's small. Okay, let's use 15. Okay, this is cool. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on buy long. That means I predict the price will go up, and then you confirm the stuff right here. Yes, fully submitted. And you can see right now I made how much is that? I have 8 cents profit already. You can see the P&L right here down here. Okay, so you can decide to share or do whatever. You can see I have 2% profit already. So it's just that easy, but you need to know when to buy and when to move, when the market will move and drop and all of that. Okay, so you see my current price is now $11, and then if you want to sell, it's just the same thing. You go to the sell and then you sell. So this is the chart, the candlestick right here up here. You can like decide to zoom in a little bit just to see what's happening, and just to check on your how broke you're going to be at the end of the trade, or how rich you're going to be. And you have this menu icon on the right side here. For my own phone, this is it. Then you have a calculator where you can actually calculate price before you jump in on the trade. If you just want to calculate, maybe you want to do a future trade and say, okay, let me calculate this price, you can make use of the calculator. Okay, Then if you look at this, yeah, I'm making 6 cents already. So if I want to close the market, you can see there's take profit and stop loss. So this is just to help you maximize your profit and minimize your loss. Okay, so when the price drops by 75% or thereabouts, I'm going to lose $1.19. So I can click that and click confirm. But if I don't click on liquidity and the price drops below the liquidation price, which is the 40.04 something like that, I'm going to lose everything I staked. So currently I can decide to say, okay, I don't want to lose more than $1. So that will help me close the trade and sell off the coin automatically for me. So on the other hand, you can see this particular one, take profit is up. If I click on 100, if the price increases to 44669, I'm going to make $4.79 like instantly. When the price reach that side, it's going to I'm going to make that profit and it's going to sell it off for me as well. So let me just click on confirm to show you, and then you can always click on the same thing to edit, or you can just click the X icon right there and be like cancel it. It's going, yeah, I have that position closed now. So I have 15 cents profit currently. I'm making 20 cents currently. So this is just the basic way of trading futures on the Kucoin. I'm going to show you more and more stuffs later, obviously. So this one is fill. This is just to show you orders that came through. Just to check the order book, like something like that. The market, this is the current price the person bought, 23.50. That's the time, and you can see 1.7 million. Yeah, you can see the stuff is becoming more green, like greener and greener. That shows, okay, it's going up and it's dropping again. And if you come to this side, this stuff right, you can see long and you can see short. That means more than 50% of people are trying to buy long, 50 is buying short. That means you know what that means in the candlestick reading and all. And that now more percentage of people is trying to long, trying to make the price go up and predict the price will go up. So and then lesser people saying the price will go down. You know what that means when you are reading candlesticks. This is not a candlestick tutorial, obviously. So yeah, sorry to just make this tutorial very short. I'm just going to close the trade now. I have 29 cents currently, so I'll just click on close market close rather, and then I'll be like 100%. I click on confirm. Yeah, so I just made 18 cents, right, with $3. So do the math if I put more money in there. So that's just how it works, and you can see the stuff just went up now. Okay, and you can check your history around here. Okay, I've been playing around with this account, and you can see been giving people tutorials and all, and you can check your order history and price and all of that from this side. So this is just going to be the end of the tutorial, guys. Thanks for your time, and make sure you subscribe. Thank you.